Model, 2014 Renault Trafic SL27dCi 115 Sport Minibus 37K Low Mileage Disability Wheelchair Ramp. Body, blue, MPV. Mileage, 37,028. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, cruise control, air con, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,895. Click the link in the description.